bad, big artist from Fort. When you talk about flow and lyrics, good no shot and not. Understand what the force to me, him have his phone, but yeah man, anyway me hear later, we can recognize the vibe people. Anyways, entertain and let go and work piece, so you must show the people them to them, can't lose faith. Words when picture them nearby. Talk about some words of encouragement people, and it's that audio job on to see and display for them to see now and then. It is entitled Faith, so we're going to run through the one from later. But first, let's get the first station cheese, Joshua, out of the way. The entertainer say fashion over style, so turn up the dress code and act. Check out the entertainer new things, then post on Instagram.
Car collection. A plane worth $700 million. The Russian politician, Vladimir Putin, uses a presidential aircraft every time he needs to fly across other countries. Surprisingly, this magnificent plane came into the picture when he went to Helsinki to have a big meeting with Donald Trump. The flying jet IL-96-300 PU cost a monumental $700 million and is reportedly equipped with the most advanced communication system. Specially equipped, this system allows some communication to the command of the troop in case there is some unexpected strike. Although the plane's outer appearance might look ordinary, the Russian president's flagship aircraft is no long-haul airliner that is wide-bodied and can easily be distinguished from the regular model of the said aircraft. The presidential aircraft is specially operated by Russia Airlines. It is a highly modified IL-96, and the last two letters is standing for the command point in Russian. Among the other 5 modified IL-96s, the first one was used by Boris Yeltsin, the first ever president of Russia, and the second was used by the current president Vladimir Putin. It is a highly customized, luxurious version of the standard IL-96 model. Astonishingly, it even has laser anti-missile protection. Interestingly, the jet is not alone. In fact, it is always flanked by 3 identical planes, and no one is allowed to know which jet holds the real Russian president. Perhaps this means all the identical planes might have the same amenities. So instead of one $716 million plane, does he have 4? That would be a fleet worth $2,864 million. Surely this is one of Putin's mysteries that will never be answered. Interior and exterior of the aircraft. The aircraft's exteriors are designed with gold accents and dripping tapestries. The furniture inside the plane and the interiors are finished with some neoclassical style. It is equipped with a spacious office which is used for president-state work. It has luxurious bedrooms, classy meeting rooms, a fully equipped gym, a fully stocked bar, and literally gold-plated toilets. Not a jet, but it is definitely a flying apartment for Vladimir Putin. A 700-car garage. Living in a worth over $1 million mansion with not ending office, the apartment hits speeds of over 150 miles per hour. He also has a gazelle limousine. Indeed, this limo is one of a kind, and it is worth $160,000. In fact, this car is specially made for Vladimir Putin himself. The off-roaders. As much as he loves his limousine, he also got an affinity for the type of car that's literally the opposite. Putin also loves affordable off-road vehicles, and he's got a Mercedes ML 500. This plain-looking car is worth around $46,000. Adding another one is his lot at even 4 times 4. It's a 25,000 ride that goes up to 87 miles per hour. Sports car. Not just luxurious and off-road cars, but Putin also loves sports cars. He He has his very own La Vesta sedan which is worth over $11,000 and surprisingly can hit speeds over 120 miles per hour. Not just this, but definitely he owns hundreds and hundreds of extraordinary car collectibles.